everyone, I'm Teacher Michelle and welcome to another episode of Unang Math. In this episode, I will be covering the topic about perpendicular and foot. In this lesson, I will explain the concepts about perpendicular, perpendicular lines, perpendicular line, and perpendicular foot. Okay, let's start by differentiating these three terms, perpendicular, perpendicular lines, and perpendicular line. These three terms are used when two straight lines meet or intersect at a right angle. Okay, let's give an example. In this figure, line AB and line CD meet or intersect at this point, and they form a right angle. When two lines meet or intersect and they did not form a right angle, there is no special name for these lines. But when two straight lines meet or intersect and they form a right angle, the special name for these lines is perpendicular lines. So in this figure, okay, line AB and line CD meet perpendicularly. The symbol for perpendicular is this symbol. And we will read this as, okay, line AB is perpendicular to line CD. So in this figure, the perpendicular line to line AB. So where's line AB? This line. The perpendicular line to line AB is line CD. Or the perpendicular line to line CD is line AB. Okay, what about perpendicular foot? How are we going to identify where is the perpendicular foot? Okay, let's give an example. Okay, in this figure, to identify where is the perpendicular foot, okay, draw a straight line from point P perpendicular to line L. Okay, perpendicular foot is the point where this line and line L meet. So where's the point? This point. So this is our perpendicular foot. Okay, let's name this point as point H. So the point H, where the perpendicular from point P, okay, not on line L, meets the line L. And that is what we call the foot of the perpendicular. Okay, what about the distance between point P and line L? Okay, the distance between point P and line L is the distance from point P to the foot of the perpendicular H. So from point P to the foot of perpendicular H. So this is the distance. Okay, this is not the distance. This is not the distance, but from point P to the foot of the perpendicular. Okay, this time, let's answer this concept check question. The figure shows line L and 3 points A, B, and C on a grid where each square has a side length of 1. So this is line L, point A, point B, point C. Okay, the length of each square, or the length of each side of this square is 1. So this is 1, 1, 1, and 1. So let's answer the following questions. First question is, mark the feet of the perpendiculars drop from the 3 points A, B, and C to line L as A dash, B dash, and C dash respectively. So line L is here. We are going to mark the feet of perpendiculars. Okay, let's start with this point A. So this is point A, and to identify where is the foot of the perpendicular, okay, draw a straight line perpendicular to line L. So that means this point is the foot of the perpendicular. So this is A dash. Okay, what about from point B? So draw a straight line perpendicular to line L. So it's going up. So this is the foot of the perpendicular, and this will be dash B. Or B, yeah, dash B or B dash. Okay, what about from point C? Where is the foot of the perpendicular? So draw a straight line perpendicular to line L. So that means this is the foot of the perpendicular. So this will be C dash. Okay, next question is, we will find the distance between each of the 3 points, A, B, and C, and line L. So, point A, point B, and point C. Since each square has a side length of 1, okay, the distance between each of the 3 points A, this is actually the distance from point A to the foot of the perpendicular. So, meaning 1, 2. So, this is 2. Okay, what about from point B to the foot of the perpendicular? So this is 1. From point C to the foot of perpendicular, this is 1, 2, 3. So this is 3. Okay, now let's answer this simple activity. Okay, in the trapezoid shown in the figure on the right, we will find the following. Okay, the first question is, the foot of the perpendicular dropped from point A, okay, to segment BC. Okay, where is point A? This point. Where is segment BC? This line. So the foot of the perpendicular dropped from point A to BC. So we will just draw a straight line from point A perpendicular to line BC. So this point is the foot of the perpendicular. So this is point B. Okay, what about the second question? What is the distance between point D and segment AB? So where is point D? This point. And where is segment AB? Okay, this line. So the distance is from point D, draw a straight line perpendicular to line AB. So meaning, what is this distance? Okay, it's given that this is 4 centimeter.